Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one, it's the Pride nails I promised. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for giving this video a click. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd hope you'd like and subscribe so that way you get notifications to any future videos that I upload. Okay, going straight into this, I didn't put any prep in this video. I feel like I said before in a previous video, that everybody just fast forwards through it. So I removed her polish that she had on, prepped her nails, removed the surface shine, applied tips, shaped, and dehydrated and primed her nails. And now you see me going in with a thin clear base. I do this on almost everybody unless I know that they're not going to be coming back. This gives me something to file back to so that I don't have to fully remove the set unless whoever I'm doing wants a new set every time. With colored acrylic, this makes it easier. And on this set, I use both iGel Beauty and Young Nail products. And I'll list everything that I use in the description box below, as always. And if you guys have any questions for how I did these, go ahead and put a comment down in the comment box. And I'll just let you guys watch. It's kind of pretty much self-explanatory. A lot of it is just, dabbing on colors. But yeah, I had fun doing this set. It's something different. It's not necessarily something that a lot of people would wear every day. It's very bright, very colorful, and fun and playful. So I'm glad that my daughter's friend came over and stayed the night and said that she wanted this set. So enjoy the rest of the video and take care. Okay, so after I encapsulate everything in the clear, I finish file off camera and I also do the rhinestones. If you want a video of the rhinestones application, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. It's kind of tedious and long, and I feel like it would just get fast forwarded through, so why bother editing? So yeah, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys like them.